Hi, I'm Dory Morrison and I do the social media for Designmaster. And today I'm going to walk you through how to do a few basic things on Instagram. Hopefully most of you have already seen the how to set up your Instagram account video that we sent out earlier this week. So once you have that set up and you have your own Instagram, we're going to go through how to add post and a story. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to add a post to our main Instagram feed. So if you have a photo on your camera roll, we can use that. Or you can go to the Designmaster website and grab a picture that you like or a picture of our product. To get to the Designmaster website on your phone, you just open up your browser and then you type in the Designmaster website, designmasterfurniture.com. Right now, let's start with a veranda item just because I've been doing a lot with that. And we'll go to a collection. Okay, let's work on this Stanberry chair. One way to find a picture to post on Instagram is just to print screen it. This is super easy. You click the button where your thumb is and then the top volume button at the same time. That's called a print screen, and it will take a picture of whatever is on your screen at the time. You know, the quality isn't the best. You know, it's not the same as if you took the JPEG photo, but it's still pretty good. From there, you can crop it. Instagram posts in a square, so you want to crop it about to a square, but you can also do that on Instagram. So right here, we have it cropped to a square, and then we're going to click the Done button. We're going to save it to our photos. Then we are going to open Instagram back up wherever you have it on your phone. And we're going to go to the Add button. This square with the plus right here will add a picture to your feed. So we'll click that, and the most recent item in your camera roll will show up first. So you can make it bigger, smaller, you know, just use your fingers to adjust it. And if you want to add more than one photo, you can click these double squares over here on the far right and click a second photo if you wanted to. We're not going to do that. We're just going to do one. Once you have the picture, you know, how you like it, we'll click the next button over here. And here you can adjust your filter. Just play around with them and see what looks better. You know, some photo filters are going to look better depending on the color that your post is. And if you don't like any of these, you can always just go back to normal. Most of the photos on the Designmaster website were touched up by professionals, so you can always stick with the filter that's already there. When you're done with that, we'll click Next, and you can write a caption here. You don't have to write a caption, but you are welcome to. You'll find your own voice as you do it. So here I'm going to write, "Love our Stanberry chair." And then I'm going to go down here and click the emoji button and then add a heart. You can adjust this text later. You cannot adjust the picture, so make sure it's what you want, and you can always go back if you want to change it, but you can adjust the text. And then I'm going to tag people. I'm going to tag Designmaster Furniture, so you tap anywhere on the picture, and then you start typing in, and things will come up. So keep typing until the word you're looking for shows up. So, man, this is taking a long time. Okay, so Designmaster Furniture. You can move the tag around anywhere you want, and it won't show up the whole time, but it will put it in our tagged feed later. I'll show you that. So when you're done tagging, you can click Done. And I'm going to share it to our Instagram and to our Facebook. You know, if you have both, you can share to both or just to one or the other. And then we'll click Share. You can put a hashtag in your main post, or I like to come back, so to see your post, go to the bottom right and click on your icon. I like to go in and add to the comments hashtags. So we can add in hashtag luxury dining. You can really do whatever tags you want. And you'll see, you know, some will work better than others. This just gets you into other people's searches. You can do up to, I think, 36 tags, but I don't do nearly that many. Luxury dining, let's see. Outdoor dining, anything that applies to, you know, what you're doing. And then you can post it. So now here we have made our first post. So that is one way to add a post. Another way to add a post is to take it from someone else's feed that you liked. So let's see. First, let's go through our feed over here. You can see that we have our main feed here. That's the grid, and that'll show you everything that I post on behalf of Designmaster. And so it'll be everything you post on behalf of your profile. Then you can go over here to the TV, and you'll see this is any video you post that's over 1 minute. Here we have a video that Jamie did that's over 1 minute. And if a video is less than 1 minute, it's going to go over here in your main feed. Now, the final option is a square with a person in it, and this is where people have tagged you. So we tagged ourselves here, you can see, so we're going to show up. But earlier, Just a Thing Decorating tagged us in this photo right here. You can see when you tap on the photo, all the tags come up. So I really like this. I tend to take any photo that we're tagged in and add it to my story. So you can add it to your feed or your story. I'll show you how to do both. So again, we're going to print screen it by tapping thumb and the top volume button over here. And then I like to crop it so that we just have the photo and then the name of the person who posted the feed. You do want to give credit to whoever does a post. So you don't want to take out their name or anything and pretend like the photo's yours. That's just not nice. So once you have it cropped the way you like, hit done. And again, we're going to save it to our photos. You'll see it's kind of the same thing over and over. Now to add it to our feed, so this main feed, we're going to go to the plus button and add it. So again, you can use your fingers in and out to make it bigger, bigger or smaller. I would then hit the next button, and you can adjust the filters. Again, you don't have to. It looks like it's pretty good already. And then we'll click next. And again, here's where you do want to tag Just the Thing Decorating. So tap on it and then start typing in Just the Thing Decorating, and she will come up. So if you see that, okay, and then click done, and you can write your caption if you want and hit share. I'm not going to share this to our feed because we're going to share it to our story. So if you don't want to do it, you just keep clicking back, and then you can discard your changes. All right, so we'll hit cancel here. Now, if you ever do make a post and you realize you don't like it, then you can always hit the 3 ellipses buttons up here. And you can either delete it or edit it. Edit it will allow you to adjust the text. Deleting it will totally take it off. So let's see, we can delete this right now just so you see what it looks like. And then if you go back to your feed, it's as though it wasn't there at all. Now let's take that post from Just the Thing Decorating and add it to our story. So you click the home button down here, and then you're going to go up to the camera on the top left. So we'll hit that. And hello. I'm going to click the camera roll and take the last thing that I print screened, which was the photo from Just the Thing Decorating. So here it's, you can really do whatever you want to do. Let's add a little text. We'll click on the A button and say, love this kitchen and dining room. By, and here's where we want to give credit. You want to do the @ sign to tag a person and then their name. So just, and see, it starts to come up. Now, you can make it bigger or smaller, by going up or down the scale. And then you can actually change the way the text looks by tapping on this text box up here, and it'll change the font. So I like this one. So when you like it, you can click done and center it below. Now let's add in a few stickers just to make it fun. You click on the little sticker icon up here. See the little square with a smiley face? And once you click in search, a lot of GIFs will show up, and you can see kind of the popular ones right now. So let's just grab these hearts, and then you just tap on them to move them. You can make them bigger or smaller, whatever you want to do. Really just have fun with this. You can also tap on the little scribble, and you can write something yourself. You can pick your color down here. Let's say that you wanted to make your own heart. You can do that here. But if you don't like it, there's an undo button on the top left, and you do need to click undo as you do it, because you can't go back and undo. So once you like it, click done, and then you can either click send to, and that can send it to one individual person, or you can send it to your stories, or you can just send it to close friends, which you'll need to set up. So I've already posted this morning, so I'm not going to post it again now, but you know that you always have it. And then you can just click X if you don't want to do it. And if you want to save it to post later, click keep, or you can just discard it, and we'll discard it since we've already done it. So then that is how you post a story. Now to see your stories, you tap on the icon of you at the top, and here are some stories. Here's a story I made yesterday, and then you'll see a story that I made of that Just a Thing post this morning. Stories are stay up for 24 hours, so it's not like they're up there forever, and you'll get better as you do them. So, you know, your first few may not be your favorites, and then in a month, you're going to get really good at it. So that is kind of a quick look at Instagram. And if you have any other questions specifically, feel free to email me, dmorrison@designmasterfern.com, or you can set up time to call and we can go through this, you know, over Zoom or FaceTime and just do it one-on-one. But I hope that helped, and I hope you have a great day. I will talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.